That's all I wanted to do. That's my second time doing that. First time was when I started talking about it. The last time I was in here, a few months back. And I did it again. Anyway, look at this. More pictures. I don't know who did that, but shoot. Thank you for looking out for the little people. Because I couldn't reach that shit before. It was a struggle. I damn near jumped into a bug that was flying in front of my face. It hit my eyelash. I can't see over there. But that's the area where I recorded these trees that were like knocked over and uprooted. Like this is, you can barely see it now because it's covered. So the other ones are in there a little bit deeper. But yeah, my back is out and I'm not trying to, you know, have any more uninvited bloodsuckers, you know, trying to steal my body, trying to steal my blood. So we're just going to stay on the outskirts. Just take my word for it. Like, look at all the vines and everything, like, hanging down over there. I love that stuff, man. Like, you ever just walk around in amazement at this world? Seriously. Every last part of it. How can you not think that this is amazing? It's beautiful. Just taking pictures. Ow, something bit my back. You blood-sucking assholes. I'm really like getting an urge to, something just bit my ass. What the fuck do mosquitoes eat other than attacking humans? And you know, I gotta look that up. I never looked that up before. Out of the shit that I researched, the shit that I look up, the shit that I researched, I never looked up what mosquitoes freaking eat other than, you know, attacking the shit out of humans whenever they're around. Because if there was no humans around, what the fuck do they eat? Ferns. Clusters and clusters of beautifulness.